Select, first off the line, 2 box, random. Oh no, PYC 3. We're doing a random for the snakes. No snake eyes though. What are those odds? 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And Human will have, or should I just add it now? We have WWE Select coming tomorrow, but I wanted to save it for me. Should I just add it now, though, and say Breaking Friday? Do the collectors want me to do that? 11. Do the collectors want me to do that? Because Jags, I love opening it. That's the, Jags doesn't care. I love opening it. Yeah, if you hit a card, it'll be a Beat the Sort. We'll change your name. Well, probably that's what I'll do. Because Jags doesn't want to do it anyway. Because he doesn't. I'll add it later. I'll add it for Friday. Because I'm back. I'm off tomorrow. I'll be back Friday. What a crazy run! I've been on Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What a run! 4 in the last 5. Crazy value. Those are the teams. Good luck to everyone. Yeah, so I'll put it in, label it for Friday. Do some. What are you doing, filler? You're talking about Ortiz. They're not in there, Ortiz? You have the Pelicans in the random. Good luck. Then we're going right into Prism Hobby. Remind me after this break to add it. Anthony Davis, silver jersey. Nice red rookie. Oh, scroll up. Oh. We have Trey Murphy. Barnes. Kyrie. Nice maroon die cut of Trey Murphy. We have orange Pulsar non-auto. Good luck to Smitty. Ooh, Smitty's a hitter. He's hitting. How about a Scotty Barnes orange Pulsar courtside for Josh Smitty? 1 of 15. What a piece. What a piece. Nice piece. Mobley. Then a Jalen Green silver jersey. Yeah, it's because of it's too cheap. Might have to raise the next day. Too cheap. I wanted to keep it cheap to make it fly, but now it's just like too out of control. Love. Jason Richardson. Purple Pulsar Auto. Smitty. This guy's a genius. Smitty is a genius. And then he's getting this. Good luck, Smitty. Gary Trent. Disaster for Smitty. Herb Jones. There's Scotty. Porzingis for the purple. Nice. Light blue of Giddy. Nice piece, Webb. Very nice piece. The corner's coming up a little. The corner's not great on the top, right? Sharp. Kendall Gill, in-flight silver auto. Maroon, die cut of Rubio. We have an RPA. Nice, we'll take it. RPA to 30. Yo. Nice piece. That's the break. Scotty, since you have 3 of these, Smitty, another beat the sort for Smitty. We're going to Prism Hobby.